The Photos section exists so you can share visual versions of all your favorite CalArts memories, as well as the new memories you're making. We've created albums by decade, as well as albums for our founding institutions, the Los Angeles Conservatory of Music and the Chouinard Art Institute, that you're welcome to add photos to. Just select the album you'd like to contribute to and choose Add Photos in the upper right corner. You can create a new album by selecting Create Album from the Album tab of the Photos page. After you've selected the photos from your device that you'd like to upload, you can add an album name, album description, and location to an album. You can also choose whether or not other users can add photos to the album by checking or unchecking this box. You can tag people on an album or in individual photos, add more photos to an album, enter descriptions for individual photos, and choose an image from your uploaded pictures to be the cover photo for your album. When you're ready, hit Publish Album. If you'd like to upload photos without an album, navigate to the Photos tab of the Photos page and select Add Photos. Add descriptions and tags to each photo, and then select Upload Photos. If any photos you attempt to upload result in an error message, check the size. The maximum size for photos in CalArts Connect is 10 megabytes, and the minimum dimensions are 88 pixels by 134 pixels. Remember to include photo credits, descriptions of the event title, location, and date, and the known names of people in your photos. If you come across a photo from another user in the platform that you took or that you're in, email alumnix@calarts.edu so we can properly credit you. Make sure the photos you share uplift and celebrate the Institute and respect the members of the CalArts community. Any photos that are deemed inappropriate or harmful will be removed. You can't edit or delete photos uploaded by other users, but if you see something that doesn't belong on our platform, you can select the photo's image, then select the vertical 3 dots in the upper right to reveal the option Report Content as Inappropriate. We look forward to seeing your photos on CalArts Connect.